Hello there, my name is Kat, and I'll be walking you through how to rescan your environment for an existing Lightform project. Here's my current setup. I have three main pieces that I use in my project: a painting, a vase with flowers, and a 3D homemade simple geometric artwork. For those interested in my setup, I have the LF2 and use it with an external USB microphone for audio reactivity. Some background about me: I am a Lightform hobbyist based in Hong Kong, and I'm certainly not an expert. If you have any tips or tricks you'd like to share, please share them in the comments, as I love to discover new ways of working. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to rescan the environment and how I adjust my layers for both simple changes and for more complex changes, such as for plants and greenery. To start the scan, if you are in your existing project, click in the black area outside of the layers on the left-hand side panel. The right panel will change and there will be a button saying New Scan. Select it. Make sure to select the correct Lightform if you're one of the lucky ones who have multiple. I typically leave all the default settings on, since I don't know any better, and then I select Scan. The environment will scan as usual, which will allow you to retain the new depth information with your existing project. After the scan has been completed, you will want to switch to preview mode so that you can visually see within the real space what area you are modifying in real time. In general, I like to switch on the mask and cursor for adjusting the layers. I keep the resolution to low quality since I find it a bit laggy when trying to preview at high quality. You will see in your space that the masks and your cursor are visible. The cross-section of the two yellow lines is where your cursor is. The white outline is the mask outline for your layers. Within your existing project, to adjust your layers mask to the new scan, you simply need to select the layer and adjust the points and/or edges, the lines, with your mouse, dragging them to new locations. This is easy for geometric shapes. Simple angular lines and some irregular shapes, such as the vase I am adjusting here, will be easy to fix. The tangential lines can be adjusted for each point to change the curvature of your mask. For complex items, such as the floral display that I have here, I prefer to make a new mask, since the intricacies of adjusting each individual point and edge can be extremely difficult and time-consuming. This is especially so if you have a rotating door of at-home displays, or maybe your wife really loves bouquets of flowers, or your plants are just not as perky as they used to be. If there are a lot of overlapping masks, it can be easier for temporarily creating a new slide with no effects at all, while creating a new mask on it, just so that you can see the area you are working with more clearly. Otherwise, the effects will get into the way. I use the magic wand and create a new mask by selecting the floral display all over again, changing the sensitivity regularly depending on how difficult the area is to detect. Once a new mask is made, I drag the effect from the previous mask to the new one. Do not, I repeat, do not delete the old mask until all the effects in all of your slides have been dragged to the new one to make it easier for yourself. You want to work smarter and not harder. After this, you can publish your project again to the device with the new adjustments. Thanks for watching this video, and hope that you have found this useful in your own personal experience with the Lightform product.